call two bananas? No? Slippers! And speaking of bananas, why did the banana go to the doctor's? Because it wasn't peeling well.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is our last assembly of this academic year, and you spent quite a few weeks listening to me, particularly this term talking about hope. So I thought for this week I'd go and find some other adults around our school and get their views on what their hopes are for the future. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Mrs. Direct, what are your hopes for the future?
So my hopes for the future are to become a qualified teacher, and I'm really excited to start the new year with my new class.
Excellent, thank you very much. Mrs. McDonald, what are your hopes for the future?
My hopes are that all children back at school because I miss them so much.
Brilliant, thank you.
Welcome.
Mrs. Thompson, what are your hopes for the future?
Well, I hope that this virus is going to go away. I hope that scientists will find a cure or a vaccine for it, and we can all go back to our normal, busy lives.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Shireen and Sherelle, what are your hopes for the future?
Our hopes for the future are for all children to be successful.
Thank you. Mr. Banks, what are your hopes for the future?
My hopes are that we're able to teach some amazing science lessons.
Thank you. Mr. George, what are your hopes for the future?
My hopes for the future are that everyone can come back together safely, that we can play more music together, put picnic and proms back on properly, and continue with the kind of outdoor, lots of sporting activities, lots of outdoor activities. That's the basis of our curriculum at the moment.
Fantastic, thank you. Mrs. Thomas, what are your hopes for the future?
So my hopes for the new year are to create a fun and safe environment for my new class. I'm sure there'll be many hurdles that we have to jump over, but once we've got the right pathway, we are good to go.
Thank you very much. Tony, what are your hopes for the future?
I think just to have peace, total peace and security.
Thank you.
I hope that all of the staff at James Dixon can continue to use every obstacle that comes our way as a means of improving and developing and growing to become better educators.
What are your hopes for the future?
This is Pantosaurus. He's going to help us with our song about pants. What's in your pants? belongs only to you. Your pants cover up your private parts. Your private parts belong only to you. If someone asks to see, just tell them no. Pantosaurus likes to wear his pants. He wears them all day long. They cover up his private parts, and that's what makes him strong. If someone asks to see or tries to touch him underneath them, he tells them no, then tells someone he trusts and likes to speak to. What's in your pants belongs only to you. Your pants cover up your private parts. Your private parts belong only to you. If someone asks to see, just tell them no. If someone asks to see or tries to touch under your pants and says to keep it secret, then you must tell them no. Then go and find someone you trust and tell them straight away. They'll say, well done.